Hey, it's Michael Saul. Today is Tuesday, June 28th at 8:17 p.m. This is Forex trading analysis for Wednesday, June 29th, 2011. Start with the euro. 2 days up here. Everybody was getting real bearish on the euro, real bullish on the dollar, and then boom, two bounce days up, and now we tagged the moving average here. So does this hold and does this push us back down, or will we be able to remount it here? Could be setting up a little A, B, C pattern. If we can throw up the Fibonacci levels, we could look something like this. And you could see the resistance would come in here if we were to break this moving average up here at 44.73. Here's the Aussie dollar. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, nice day on Tuesday. Also have the moving average as potential resistance just above. Here's the yen. A couple of good days, but still choppy overall. Here's the dollar Swiss. No, nothing there. Here's the dollar versus the Canadian dollar. And you could see the push up on Monday and the rejection here. So now watch this moving average for potential support. The euro versus the pound. I was giving it one more day. Instead, it broke on Tuesday, but not up that much here. Target would be these highs here, but first want to see if this breakout would stick. Here's the euro versus the Swiss franc. Watch the moving average as potential resistance. Okay, here is the euro versus the Aussie. Watch the moving average for potential support. Here is the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. Okay, nothing going on there, just completely sideways. Here's the pound. Okay, we had a 60-12 entry. Move stops after 40 ticks, but nope, that was adjusted to 30 ticks. So it went to 60.42. It went one tick above that, and then it stopped out break even. So we changed this on the 9 a.m. update, so it's important that you check that. We changed it to a 30-tick stop loss move, and we moved the stops there. Here's the pound versus the New Zealand dollar. Just let me refresh this here a little bit. For some reason, thinking, no, it's valid. A little gap there. I still think this one is headed for this lower Keltner channel here. Here's the euro versus the yen. A couple of up days, but until it breaks this congestion up here, not giving this the benefit of the doubt to the upside, that's for sure. Here is the Swiss versus the yen, and a nice push higher here. Watch this upper Keltner for resistance. Here's the Aussie yen. Nice day on Tuesday. Expecting digestion here. Still in an overall short-term downtrend, but overall, this could lead to higher prices here. Okay, so that's the Aussie yen. Here is the pound yen. Watch the moving average as potential resistance. Here's the pound Swiss. Okay, hanging out right at the lower Keltner channel. Okay, this isn't a bad one to watch, but it's tough to set these up as swings, all right? Because you have this little pattern here. So if it were to break out above this, you just have to manage it real tight, and that's not what this video is. This video is more of a swing video. But if you are a day trader or an intraday trader, watch this one here, because this one could provide a nice opportunity. Here's the Aussie Swiss. I think this one's going to the lower Keltner. I think this is just digesting this push down. Here's the New Zealand Swiss. Same deal. Here's the Canadian Swiss. All right, giving this one more session, but this one out of the three looks like my favorite here. This is just, kind of a lame bounce here versus the push lower. Here's the New Zealand versus the Canadian. Not much. And here's the Aussie versus the Canadian. So no real setups here, but like I said, I'd be watching this one if you're trading intraday, and I'm keeping my eye on this one for tomorrow, depending on how the candle closes on Wednesday. So that's it. Have a great trading day on Wednesday. I'll talk to everybody again on Thursday.